Hi, my name is Jason.
This is my family, and we love to travel. To the beach, or the lake,
in the forest, on the coast,
to the mountains, and even deep underground. I hope you come along as we travel all around our home state of California, the greater United States, and beyond. We invite you to come join us as we go exploring. Well, the sea lion caves might have been a bust, but let's keep heading north and see what we can find. There are a lot of these very adventurous people riding bicycles on the Pacific Coast Highway. They're all decked out with their gear for camping too. Can't imagine doing that. There are also a lot of logging trucks headed south down to Coos Bay. We, however, are headed north toward Newport, where we decided to stop at the Hatfield Marine Science Center. It's run by the Oregon State University and is completely free. There is a very cool tide pool exhibit with the naturalists who tell you all about the animals and help instruct you about how to touch and feel the tide pool creatures without causing damage to them. There were sea stars, anemones, urchins, scallops, and abalone in the exhibit. also all kinds of interactive exhibits about everything from sounds in the sea to wave energy generation. There were even some fish and other sea animals on display, which meant we didn't need to go up the road to the aquarium. All in all, it was a very cool place that we could have spent the whole day at, but we had to move on because evening was coming and we needed to get to our next stop. We were going to be boondocking at a place associated with the Harvest Host program, the Blue Heron French Cheese Company. If you don't know, Harvest Host is a membership club that RVers can join that gives you access to hundreds of museums, wineries, farms, golf courses if you join that one, and other places where you can stop with your RV and stay the night when you visit. The Blue Heron is a cheese dairy, but also a winery, and they have a huge gift shop with all kinds of things from candy and jams to kitchen items and even ice cream. They also have these really cool bathrooms with waterfall style faucets and handles on the doors that look like hatchets. And oh yeah, they have wine too. I picked up some bacon and cheddar crickets. Yes, real dried crickets. And convinced the kids to try them. I won't show you what happened next, but let's just say the kids needed something tasty after that. So we headed to the Tillamook Creamery to take the tour. I'll let Jack take the lead with the camera.
Tankers deliver the milk fresh and fast. You're looking at our milk receiving area. Tanker trucks roll through the county all day long, picking up milk from our farmer owners' dairy farms. Each tanker truck holds 6,000 to 8,000 gallons of milk. We receive about 25 truckloads of milk a day. Milk usually arrives within an hour of leaving the farm. Farmers quality test their milk on the farm before it's loaded. When the tanker gets here, we quality test the milk again before we unload it. After quality testing, the milk pumps into silos, but it doesn't stay for long. Silos. In less than 24 hours, we've turned that milk into cheese and ice cream.
Wow.
Ice cream!
The brand new visitor center had just opened before we arrived. There were a couple interactive exhibits where the kids could try their hand at being a dairy farmer. And of course, there was my favorite part, the free cheese tasting stand. There was also a self-guided tour looking over the entire factory floor where you could see the end-to-end process of how they make and package the cheese. It was really cool. There's also a large gift shop. And a movie about how they make the ice cream. But we didn't come just to watch a movie about ice cream. Let's eat.